Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I want to go over an ankle flexibility test that a lot of people freak out about, but it's not that important. So come with me. What you're going to do, you're going to set yourself up at a wall, or I'm going to use the rig here, and you're going to see how far away you can get your foot, but still get your knee to touch the wall. So set yourself up nice and close. From here, foot is just in front of the bolt, and I can get my knee to touch. Whenever I go slightly further back, there, I cannot get my knee to touch now. Okay, if I lift my heel up, I can get it to touch, but as soon as I put my heel down, it's off, and I can probably fit, I can fit the hand in there as well. So that's as far as I can get. But take a look at this. Touch. And my heel is on the ground. And I'm in deep hip flexion. So this is more relatable to a squat. So whenever I'm squatting, that is where I want my knee to travel and where I want my ankle flexibility to actually be. So do not freak out about tests that you may read about or try. See, are they actually relatable to the thing you're trying to get better? So training your ankle mobility in the deep hip flexion is going to be far more beneficial for you than, like I said, freaking out about a test. So getting a good mobility program like the simplistic mobility method will take you through things like that. And yeah, work hard at it, be a legend, be awesome, like, share, tag and comment anyone you think this will be helpful to, and yeah, stop freaking out.